Have you ever wanted to make your own decorative pillows? Pillows that you can put on either your sofa, chair, even your bed as little toss pillows? Well, my name is Daniel King. I'm a designer, and I'm going to show you how to close a the pillowcase of the pillow. So it closed. So here we have a pillow, and you can take a pre-purchased pillowcase if you wish, if you found one that you liked, or you can actually create one of your own by taking fabric, taking two pieces that are cut just slightly bigger than the pillow itself, sew them together, and once you've sewn together on three sides of the pillow, you then have your open end. You place the actually once you've sewn it, you have to turn it inside out. You then have a little bit of excess fabric at the end here. You flip that inside, turn it in, just like you were rolling up a hem, and you have those two together. Then you take your needle and thread, and I'm using a contrasting color here just so you can see it better. You can start here at the end. Now if you start on the inside of the actual lip here, you can get that in there, and that way you won't see the thread. But usually, in this case, it really doesn't matter because you're probably going to use the same color thread. So going through here, you just whip this around, and I'm stitching through both sides. And you have a knot at the other end. And you can actually whip stitch it over the top if you like. And if you've got the same color thread, that's not going to be a problem. So again, stick through it, pull it out, and pull it out. And then you continue on, start underneath, push it through, pull it out, and continue down the pillow. Now you can leave this, I would probably do this a little tighter than I'm doing here for demonstration. As you work down here. Also, you may be able to leave it a little looser if you'd like, if you're changing on a regular basis, changing the different types of fabrics you want to make your decorative pillows. Okay? So that's how you can take and close the pillow by just sewing it closed. My name is Daniel King. Have a good afternoon.